apps affairs show you
How to transfer photos from iPhone to Google Drive. So if you have bunch of photos in your iPhone and now you want to upload them to your Google Drive, here's how to do it. First of all, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed in your iPhone. And make sure you have signed into your Google Drive account using your Gmail ID. Once done, go to your Photos app and now tap on Select, and then you'll be able to select multiple photos and videos. Once you have selected your photos, now all you have to do is just tap on the share button at the bottom left, and here scroll up, and here you have to find out Google Drive, or you can tap on this more button and here scroll down and you will get here Drive. Just tap on it, and here you will see all of your selected photos are showing up. Now if you want to change your Google Drive account, you can tap on account to select a different account. And if you want to upload all of your photos in a specific folder, you can tap on folder to select the folder. And to upload your photos to Drive, all you have to need is tap on upload at the top right corner of the screen. And here we can see all of my photos are uploading. Once done, I'm going to opening my Google Drive app. And here we can see all of my photos have been uploaded to my Drive. And you can directly upload photos from your Google Drive by tapping on this plus button and select upload photos and videos and allow full access, and then your iPhone gallery will open. From here you'll be able to select photos to upload. So this is how we can easily transfer photos from iPhone to Google Drive. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.